Imagine that you're in a restaurant and now you're ordering a meal. Let's see how you can order something to eat or drink.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Again, good evening, because it's evening. Okay, do you have a reservation, which means that did you book a table here before? Maybe yesterday or maybe 2 hours ago?
Yes, a table for two. My name's Ali Gray.
Yes, which means, of course, a table for two means a table for two people, which means that I booked for two people in this restaurant. My name is Ali Gray.
Smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking, please.
Okay.
Come this way, please.
Come this way, please, means follow me, because I can take you exactly to the right place, to the right table. Just follow me.
Are you ready to order?
Very cliche question in the restaurants or cafes. Are you ready to order? Which means that did you choose what to eat and drink? Or you need extra time to think about. Basically, you have a menu and you need some time to look at the pictures and prices and everything to choose what you are going to eat or drink. That's why the garçon, or let's say the server, or in other words, waiter, says, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the onion soup and then the steak, please.
Yes, of course, I'd like. I'd like means I would like, but it's a short form. I would like or I'd like the onion soup and then the steak, steak, meat.
The goat's cheese salad and the lasagna for me, please.
And she likes the goat's cheese salad and the lasagna for me, for her actually.
What would you like to drink?
Very cliche question again. What would you like to drink? Or he could say any beverages or anything to drink. Okay.
Would you like some wine?
Would you like some wine? Wine.
No thanks, just mineral water for me.
No thanks, just mineral water for me. Which means that, no, I don't need any wine. I only or just need some mineral water. What is mineral water? A kind of water which comes from the nature, okay? From the origin, from the spring. They take it and they bottle it and then they sell it to the customers.
Okay, a glass of red wine and a bottle of mineral water, please.
So, okay, a glass of red wine and a bottle of mineral water, please. These are what we are going to drink.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And thank you. There's a tip for any kind of language. If somebody says hi, you say hi. Thank you, thank you. Goodbye, goodbye. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Some of the dialogues are so cliche. You're basically repeating the sentence, those sentences that you're hearing, okay, in a dialogue or in a conversation.
How was the pasta?
How was the pasta means what is your opinion about the pasta? Did you like it? Did you enjoy it? Do you like it?
It was delicious.
It was delicious. Delicious means awesome, tasty, wonderful. I really like that.
Listen, Ali, there's something I want to ask you.
Listen means pay attention, Ali. There is something I want to ask you. Means there is something really maybe difficult to ask it from you. Okay? Listen very carefully.
Yes? What?
Yes, what? What is the matter? What is the question?
Would you like a dessert?
So would you like a dessert? What is dessert? Something sweety and something sugary, okay? Basically, people eat desserts after the meal to digest, to enjoy. I don't know what is the reason for that.
Yes, please. What is there?
Yes, please, of course. What is there means what do you have? What type of dessert do you have? I have to see it. I have to look at the list.
Tiramisu, ice cream or fruit salad?
So tiramisu, ice cream, and fruit salad. There are three options, right? She's going to choose one of them.
Fruit salad, please.
So fruit salad, please. She wants to eat some fruit salad. Delicious, huh? Tasty, yummy.
And you, sir?
And you, sir, means do you need something to eat? Any kind of dessert for you, sir?
Nothing for me, thanks.
Nothing for me, He's a little bit mad or crazy right now because the waitress is actually interrupted the conversation and he's not really happy about it.
Allie,
Yes? Go on, Mark.
Go on, Mark. Go on. Means continue. Please go ahead. Continue and talk. What is it?
well, tomorrow's my last day.
Well, tomorrow. Okay. Today, tomorrow, next day. Tomorrow is my last means final. My final day here in London.
And I think I really liked meeting you.
And I think means I believe, or in my opinion, actually, I mean means basically, I don't want to say we, but me. I really liked meeting you. I enjoyed spending some time with you, and I really liked you as a person and as a kind of really good woman.
And
Here you are. Fruit salad. Would you like any coffee?
Here you are. Please go ahead. Here you go. Fruit salad. And would you like any coffee? Again, would you like? Would you like any coffee? Would you like any tea or something else?
Yes, an espresso, please.
An espresso, please. For me, an espresso.
the same for me, please.
The same for me, please means me too. She said espresso. I say espresso too. In that case, you can say the same for me, please.
Sorry, Mark.
Sorry, Mark. Please go ahead. Go on.
Do you want to come to California next month?
The question is, do you want to come to California next month? You know, this month, next month, in the future, right? So do you want to come? Do you want to join us in the California next month?
There's a big conference.
There's a big conference, a huge conference. Conference is big meeting, right? With a lot of people.
I'm going to be there. Why don't you come?
I'm gonna be there means I am going to be. I am going to be there, or I am gonna be there in the future. Why don't you come? Means please come. Please join us. Please join me because I want to see you again.
What do you think?
What do you think? What is your opinion? Do you want to say yes? Please say yes. Please come to California. Please, please.
2 espressos. Anything else? A little brandy, a grappa.
So anything else means what else? What else do you want to drink? A little brandy or grappa. So these are some alcoholic drinks like wines.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. I am very infuriated. I am very angry right now, right? Please go away. I have to say something very important to her. You're interrupting me from talking. Please go ahead.
What do you say, Allie?
What do you say, Ali? What is your opinion? What do you say? Do you accept my invitation or do you reject or deny my invitation?
I'm not sure, Mark.
I am not sure, Mark, means I don't know. I have to think. Basically, ladies are not so sure about anything. They need to think about everything to see one specific topic from different angles to make sure. And obviously, she's not so sure to say yes or no. She needs time to think about it.
I need some time to think about it, okay?
I need some time to think about it. Please give me some extra time to think and to consider everything. And then I can tell you whether yes or no. All right?
All right, but please tell me before I go.
All right, that's okay. But please tell me before I leave London, before I go to America, please.
Okay.
Could we have the check, please?
Mark says, could we have the check, please? What is check? Check is American version of bill. So what is bill? Bill is a piece of paper in which they write the prices and everything that you have to pay for the restaurants or for the basically cafes or some different places. But because they're in London and Mark is American, he made a mistake. He had to say, please give us the bill instead of saying check.
Sorry, the check?
Sorry, the check means I don't understand. What is check? What are you talking about?
The bill mark. We're in Britain, remember?
Ali says the bill mark, bill, because this is UK, this is Britain, like London. And remember means don't forget. Do you remember that? Do you recall it? We are in London, in Britain, right? So you have to use British English rather than American English.
Sorry, could we have the bill, please?
Sorry, could we have the bill, please? Means I'm so sorry, excuse me. Could we or can we? Basically, could is better than can. Could we have the bill, please? Because this is UK and I have to use British English.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Affirmative. No, sir. Means rejection or negative sentence. And now imagine that you're in the street or on the street. Both of them are correct. In the street, on the street. You're asking for directions. Or because you're looking for a location, you're looking for a place. You don't know how to go or where to go. In that case, you're asking from the people, from the citizens.